So guys and girls, welcome back to another video, and this time around it's top 10 Android apps for March 2017. Now every single app will be mentioned in the description below, and if you do have some recommendations for next month's video, then make sure to comment them down below, but let's get straight into it. First up is an app called Wave from Ketchup. This is one of their new games and I actually really like the concept of it. So pretty much you have to get to the furthest distance possible with this paper aeroplane, and there's waves in the way which you do have to avoid. It does take a few tries to get used to, but once you get the hang of it, you will be easily hooked onto the game. It's definitely something that I'll be downloading on any of my devices that I get in the future, because honestly it's just such a good app and it's great to just kill some time. Second on the list is KeepVid's video downloader, and I was quite surprised by how efficient it was. So in order to download it, you do have to head over to their website to grab the APK, but once you're inside the app, you'll be able to download content from your favorite websites, such as YouTube, Instagram, SoundCloud, and many more. For YouTube, all you have to do is search for the video you would like to download, hit the download button, and from there you'll be able to go onto the download list and watch all your content on there offline for free. This is honestly a really good app if any of you guys are on limited mobile data, so downloading videos to your phone to just watch them later is definitely a major key. If you want some insane life hacks, then make sure to check out this app. It provides you with several different categories for life hacks, and take for example the technology section. The life hacks on this are displayed neatly with a nice modern user interface, and you simply swipe to move on to the next card. Now they constantly update this app with new life hacks and facts, and there's just several different categories for you to explore, and honestly it's really good for expanding your knowledge and learning something new. If you're like me and you like to schedule out your day, then this app is for you. I've been searching for an app for this for ages, but essentially Sectorgraph syncs with your phone's Google Calendar or just your phone's calendar, and then it takes that out and displays it neatly onto this circular pie chart with your activities laid out in front of you. You can quickly jump to different days of the month and also see what's on your agenda really easily by pressing the arrows and scrolling down. It's a simple app that works, and it will be listed in the description below on today's video, like every other app mentioned in today's video, so yeah. Up next is an app called Rocket VPN, and we all know that certain websites and apps attempt to track your information, so by using this application called Rocket VPN, not only does it allow you to bypass a large majority of websites, but it adds an extra level of security due to the fact it changes your IP address. Now this app works really well, and even when the VPN is connected, I didn't notice a significant change in the Wi-Fi speed. In addition, you'll be able to launch apps with the shortcuts integrated within the app and connect to secure servers around the world. Now, I always get asked about my phone wallpaper and where I get them from. Recently, I discovered Plastexo, which is a simple but elegant app which gives you the choice to choose from a myriad of wallpapers. They have several categories, and what I like about this is it isn't slow or sluggish like other wallpaper apps which I have used in the past. If you find a wallpaper that you'll like, you'll easily be able to favorite it or immediately apply it to your background. I really do dig the look of the wallpapers in the other category of this app, as I find them clean and simple, and not to mention the dope looking color scheme. So definitely check it out if you are into your wallpapers which are abstract and you're just looking for something new. For our next game on today's list, we have something called Balls, and yeah, it's probably not the best of names, but fair enough, it's a good app. Essentially, you have some balls and you aim to hit the numbers, and the objective is to not let them get to the bottom of the screen. You can aim for the targets, as they do actually hold some extra balls, and you kind of have to think about it methodically as to how you go about it playing it. And a tip is to actually think about it 3 steps ahead, but it's seriously a decent game. Although it's challenging, it's definitely worth a shot. There's tons of weather apps out there on the Play Store, but I found my new favorite called 360 Weather. I like this because it displays a lot of information in a simple yet elegant way. It will accurately tell information based on your location and will tell you the hourly forecast as well as the precipitation percentage and wind speed. Oh, and also something that is quite cool is if you do scroll to the bottom, it tells you some more information based on the weather, like what you could potentially wear based on it, and also driving conditions. The list goes on. Penultimately, we have Snap Notes, which allows you to take pictures of school or general notes and then basically organize them into folders. So for example, different subjects or topics can easily be accessed from there, and you can put them into folders neatly organized. It's really easy to use, and I quite like the concept as it's just simple and it gets the job done. If you guys are unaware, the LG G6 was announced like last week and it has these rounded corners to them. I am getting my hands on one very soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button for some coverage on that. But anyway, there's now an app which allows you to add these aesthetically pleasing corners to your phone screen. I don't really need to go in depth with this app because only a few people would be interested in this, as it's definitely unique, but it certainly does give your phone a dope look, and I would definitely recommend checking it out if you are interested in basically customizing your phone look, and those rounded corners do make a significant difference. But yeah, that's about it. Anyway guys, that wraps it up for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a massive thumbs up, and also comment down below hashtag JiffyBags if you watched this far in today's video. And also, there's actually another app called Instagram if you didn't know, and if you do have it, make sure to follow me on that and feel free to hit me up. My username is @SXVTech. But yeah, that's about it. Anyway guys, I'm Hamza from Super Extreme Video, and I'll talk to you lot in the next one. Laters lads, bye.